UPSC aspirants have gone on a rampage in the capital, clashing with the police and setting at least 4 to 5 vehicles on fire. This has taken place in Mukherjee Nagar in the capital. These aspirants were in fact upset with the government because they wanted the preliminary test to be conducted in Hindi. But the government, it seems, ignored their pleas and issued the admit cards without taking into account their demands. And in fact, that rampage is taking place in Mukherjee Nagar. But from what we understand, at the moment, the police is patrolling the area and the situation is in control. And those visuals you're looking at on your screens are of the police in clashes with those UPSC aspirants in Mukherjee Nagar, where the clashes went violent and 4 to 5 vehicles were set on fire.
अभी तक सिचुएशन ऑलमोस्ट अंडर कंट्रोल कर ली जा चुकी है। 600-700 के करीब स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आए, जिन्होंने कुछ यहाँ पे सड़क पे पथराव किया, कुछ पुलिस के ऊपर पत्थरबाजी करी और कुछ व्हीकल को भी डैमेज किया। और उसके बाद ये लोग फिर इनको यहाँ से खदेड़ा गया। अप्रोप्रिएट और मिनिमल यूज ऑफ फोर्स करके इनको थोड़ा सा पीछे किया गया और अभी भी ये लोग कुछ इकट्ठा है। इनमें से कुछ लोग को अभी अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है।
सर, सरकारी कुछ पुलिस की गाड़ियों को भी क्षति की गई है, इसमें से कौन-कौन सी गाड़ी?
अभी तक एक पुलिस जिप्सी को इन्होंने आग लगाई है, जिसका पता चला है, और इसके अलावा सिचुएशन का जायजा लिया जा रहा है। इस समय सिचुएशन अंडर कंट्रोल है।
उन्होंने सभी गाड़ियां रोक दी आगे। फिर बोलते हैं कि पत्थर मारने लग पड़े, तो उसके बाद उन्होंने फिर गाड़ी को आग लगा दी। कुछ तारें फूकी, कुछ मोटरसाइकिल फिर हमारी वाली गाड़ी को भी आग लगा दी। मेरे सर में पत्थर मारा उन्होंने। फिर सवारियों को उतारा फटाफट, लोगों का सामान भी जल गया बीच में ही।
कितने लड़के होंगे?
लड़के थे कम से कम 150 लड़के थे सर।
And my colleague Nikita now joins me on the phone line for more. Nikita, about 600 to 700 students is what the DCP is saying. So that seems like quite an outburst of violence there in Mukherjee Nagar.
That's true, Kashish. In fact, this is a controversy that has been developing over a period of time now, because these UPSC students have been objecting to the level of aptitude and the English language questions that are being asked in the CSAT exam. Now, we have to understand that this CSAT exam is a government exam. There are students coming from even the remotest villages, from rural areas, and they claim that the English language questions that are being asked in the exam are much above the standard that is prescribed for the exam. Now, we also know that there was someone who had gone on a fast for this, and it had also led to quite a political uproar. There have been discussions about this in the political circles, and now these protests have turned violent because there was also a 3-member committee that had been appointed, a government committee that had been appointed to look into the demands of these aspirants. But despite that, the UPSC has gone ahead and issued these admit cards, and their demands have not been met, which is why these students are protesting. Now, the protests have turned violent. We know that vehicles have been set on fire, and we have eyewitnesses who are telling us that there are about 600 to 700 students who engaged in clashes with police. But let's just hope that the situation calms down.
All right, Nikita, and of course we heard the DCP over there saying that the situation is now under control, and the police are taking no chances at all, and they're going to be patrolling the area at night. That is the news coming in from Mukherjee Nagar in the capital.